Hello. So we met again. Welcome to another video of SOMYASCAPE, and as you can guess by the title of it, I'm going to share some tricks and techniques of how I sketch portraits. Although I'm still learning, but my friends on Instagram made me do this. So I'm just gonna quit the bug and start with the video already. As you can see, I'm simply measuring out the outlines with the pencil, which I believe everyone has, the Apsara one, the one and only that gives you extra marks for good handwriting. Remember the ad where that kid scored 101 out of 100? Well, a kid can imagine. Only imagine 101 is not possible. Start with some light lines, give the face its shape. Once you figure out the shape, piece out the shape between eyes and nose and etc. Once you are done with the outlines, just get into a little bit of detailing. I'm just not into detailing. I'm not that person who gives more thought into detailing. So because I just like my sketches raw and very rough, so I'm just gonna play around the outlines only. Just please make sure to darken the zones according to your reference picture, because in the end that's the only thing that's gonna add depth to your picture, depth to your sketch. About the reference picture, I think of all these new age Hollywood actresses, I really love how Alexandra is. Her entire personality is love. If you want to know why I feel the way I feel about her, just go to her Instagram and you'll know how simple of a person she is. I mean, I admire her a lot. So that sums up why she is my muse. Well, and the eyes. Oh my god, those eyes, those ocean eyes. Enough with the fangirling. About shading, it's a process. It takes practice, it takes time. It's different for different people. There are a lot of techniques and methods we like, the people like me who like to sketch use. So let me know if you want a video describing different techniques and tips to shade your sketches. I just move my pencil in little circular movements here, as you can see. Make sure to apply more pressure where you want the zone to be darker, and apply less pressure on your pencil lead where you want the zone or area to look light. Okay, coming to eyes, I mean, I personally feel like eyes are the most attractive part of a face or the entire human body for that matter. So sketching eyes just takes little extra attention and your time. Sketching a nose, a perfect nose, just takes practice. There is no other way to it. And for lips just take more practice. I mean, more practice. Well, look who has made another entrance. The 3 rupees pen. Well, I'm attached to things. What can I say? So here I'm just going all over the pencil outlines to make it more distinctive. So with the pen, I have black ballpoint pen. I have created these shadows, little shadows, to make it more like lookable, I guess. I don't know the word. Okay, well, do you think I'm a little weird? Or I have gone a little crazy? I don't know, and I don't know. I don't even know why the hell I'm putting this on my video on YouTube. Well, just follow me on Instagram. Thank you. Please follow me on Instagram. I wanted to go for this vintage vibe, the vintage aesthetic, hence the black watercolor. Okay, I wasn't satisfied only with the black color, so I went in filling the eyes with blue color, and oh my god, those blue eyes. Thank you for watching till the end. Let me know if you like this video. If you did, please comment on this video, and I'm open to suggestions. If you feel like suggesting something, do DM me on my Instagram or in the box below. My social media handles will be linked down. Thank you, and bye bye until we meet again.